help you?
Yes, ma'am. This is Larry English. I'm calling from Douglas, Georgia. I have a house that we're under construction on, and I have a dock down at 220 Satilla Drive. That's Satilla Shores in Brunswick.
Okay.
I got a camera system there, and I've got a trespasser there. So he's a colored guy, got real curly-looking hair. He's tattooed down both arms.
You recognize that voice?
Yes.
Okay. And do you recognize this as one of the times that you called 911?
Yes, I believe that's the first time.
Okay.
That is Larry English. He owns a home that was under construction in the Satilla Shores neighborhood in Brunswick, Georgia, where Ahmaud Arbery was shot and killed. Now, he had a camera system set up inside because he wasn't living in the neighborhood to monitor what was going on, and he saw a trespasser. And that's from October 25th, the first time he called 911, when Ahmaud Arbery, for the first time, was seen walking through his home under construction. Let's take you back inside the courtroom for more of the 911 call he made, plus a little bit of his testimony. Take a listen.
Okay, and you said it's a black male with tattoos down both arms, and what else?
And he's got real curly looking, not dreadlock, but just kind of curly, messed up looking hair. The way he acts looks like he's maybe drunk or on drugs. And he's wearing shorts, and I think a sleeveless looking like maybe a t-shirt. We got a lot of tools and equipment, and I have a camper trailer also there, a temporary camper trailer that we stay in. And he's already been down on the dock running around and up on the hill around the house and all.
Okay, and you want an officer to go find out what he's doing and have him removed from the property?
Yes, ma'am, if you would, I would appreciate it.
Now, in that call, you used the word plundering around. What do you mean by that?
I'm just looking around, checking things out.
Did you ever see that person take anything that night?
No.
Did you ever see anything in his hands, like a bag or flashlight or any sort of things on him?
No.
This really sets the foundation for everything that was happening in the neighborhood. At least, the basis for these defendants to chase Ahmaud Arbery. It all comes back to what's happening in this house under construction and these videos. Let me bring in Court TV legal correspondent Julie Janae, who's in Brunswick, Georgia tonight. And I'm going to ask just a series of quick little questions here before I let you answer any of them. And this is what I need to know tonight, and I think what all of us need to know relative to the testimony today. One, did Ahmaud Arbery steal anything from that home? Okay. Larry English, the owner, did he tell anyone that he suspected Ahmaud Arbery had stolen anything from that home? And how on earth did the McMichaels come to suspect that Ahmaud Arbery was stealing things from inside that home under construction? Were any of those questions answered today?
They were answered through this witness as far as what he knew and what he perceived and who he told. So number one, did Ahmaud Arbery steal anything? According to this witness, who is the owner of this home where he didn't live, but was, of course, very concerned about the people going in and out of it, he said multiple times during his testimony today that nothing was taken from the home. Number two, did he ever tell the McMichaels directly about someone being in his home and wanting them to protect it for him? He answered that during his testimony today. Take a listen.
And at any point during your interactions with the McMichaels, did you ever give them permission to go on your property, express permission?
No.
Did you ever tell them they couldn't go on your property?
No.
Did you ever personally tell the McMichaels about any prior incidents at your house?
Probably, I'm not sure.
At any point in time, did you authorize the McMichaels to ever confront anybody on your site?
No.
Or to act on behalf of the police on your site, on your construction site? And other than Mr. Perez, did you ever give anybody else express permission to confront anybody on your property?
No.
That may have been a little hard to hear. It was hard for these jurors to hear at times. They were really leaning forward in their seats when this testimony was being played via video deposition. But he's saying that he did not directly give the McMichaels permission to be on his property or to investigate things. He didn't talk to the McMichaels directly, but he did tell other people in the neighborhood that things had been stolen from his property. He also contacted police. As far as your last question about how the McMichaels came to know this information, this is a rumor mill going around this neighborhood. It's close-knit, people talk. They have a Facebook page where they put up any incidents or problems they're having in the neighborhood. That surveillance video of Ahmaud Arbery inside on several occasions leading up to February 23rd, 2020, that was on the Facebook page, that was being shared, and we'll hear from the defense that because Gregory McMichael was a retired law enforcement officer, that people came to him, namely Diego Perez, another witness that we expect to hear from later in the trial.
Fascinating to hear. It's almost like the game of telephone going on. But there were other people who went inside that home on video.
There was. The prosecution made sure to highlight that in their opening statement, and now it is being supported through the witness who's bringing it in as evidence. There's a couple that was caught on video walking into this home at night, which is something the defense likes to bring up about this, that Ahmaud was there at night and not during the day. There's the couple, a man and woman, who concerned Larry English, that homeowner, so much that he called police on them and asked them to try and figure out who they were, because he said they were holding a bag, and he thought that that may be a reason that they were the culprits for taking something from his house. The officers even went to find who they believed this couple to be, a homeless couple living under the bridge nearby. So another part of that rumor mill and the conversation going on in this neighborhood. But at the center of it is this house under construction where Larry English clearly had a problem, where he's renovating it for over a year and people are coming in and out, and he doesn't have a way to stop them since he doesn't have anyone living there. He doesn't have any doors on the front or even a garage.
All right, let's bring it back in the think tank, get a little reaction here. Renee Hill, Kesia Early, Jennifer Brandt. Jennifer, let me ask you, this is all getting mushed together, right? There's this couple who has a bag. That's who he really suspects is doing it. But Ahmaud Arbery is the one who keeps returning to the home. But he's usually wearing shorts and doesn't have a bag like this couple. And then meanwhile, the owners, not speaking directly to the McMichaels, but they seem to be taking the lead along with the neighbor Diego in protecting and trying to solve this caper. I mean, is this enough for the defense to argue citizen's arrest?
I don't think so. Absolutely not, because the witness testified that he didn't even see Ahmaud Arbery take anything from the house. There was nothing missing when Ahmaud was there.
Right. But here's the question though. Does it matter what actually happened, or is it more important how the rumor mill came through and the information that the McMichaels had or believed that perhaps this was the guy?
Well, it doesn't matter, because clearly there were a lot of people coming in and out of this house. So no one told the McMichaels that they
He's the only one who's returning multiple times, though. That's what made it different.
Yeah,
he's on video 3 or 4 times.
But he didn't do anything, and nor did the homeowner say, you better watch out for this guy, or this guy's a danger or anything. I mean, what the neighborhood rumor mill starts has really nothing to do with it. Nobody said, the owner didn't say that Ahmaud Arbery was doing anything wrong except coming in and out of that house, which was odd. He said it was a little odd and he acted odd, but there was no crime being really committed other than maybe trespass, but it seemed like everybody was going into this house. So they weren't arresting everybody else. They weren't acting as guards on everybody else.
Okay.
Why did they single out Ahmaud Arbery?
We have to go to a break, but I just want to make sure. Renee and Kesia, do you agree with Jennifer Brandt? Yes?
Yes. Agreed.
Agreed, agreed?
Agreed.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Agreed, agreed.
All right. When we come